Gentlemen, Alt Y. Mohammed, #7. Let's start. What do you see?
Okay, skills 5. Be careful of past participle.
What is a past participle, Mohammed? You're in my class, and if you can't give me this answer, I'm kicking you out.
Participle, past continuous.
The past participle?
Past participle.
Oh my God, Mohammed. Gentlemen, what is a past participle?
Verb 3.
Verb 3. Mohammed, did you forget?
Yes.
How do you make it? How do you make verb 3? Any idea? How do we make verb 3?
AD.
Always? Always?
No, not always.
Irregular.
Irregular.
Usually, right?
Yeah.
It's usually verb 1 plus ed. That is a past participle, okay? By the way, can you see this over here, gentlemen? Do you see that?
Yeah. Green TOEFL, skill 4, right?
This is also in the green book. Green TOEFL is skill 4, okay? All right, Suhaib. Suhaib, can you start reading a past participles?
Okay. Past participle can cause confusion in the structure section of the TOEFL test because a past participle can be either an adjective or a part of a verb.
Oh my God, really? Both? Adjective, part of the verb? How do I know? How can I distinguish? That is skill 5. Distinguish the adjective from the verb, okay? Sultan, go ahead.
The past participle is the verb from that follows the helping verb have or be.
That's right, okay? Now, let me open up this document here. Let's see, my special formula document, okay?
But yeah, okay.
You see my formula document here?
Yeah.
Can you find verb 3? The past participle. Where is the past participle?
The perfect and the passive.
Yes.
So you have one here in the perfect and one here in the passive.
Yeah.
Okay? All right. So now yesterday, what did we do yesterday? We did this.
Continuous. Yeah.
That was skill 4.
Yes.
Yeah.
What is the verb for? It is
Verb plus ing.
present participle. Remember?
Present.
Yesterday we did the present participle. So today we're doing the past participle, okay? The past. So now it says the verb form, it follows the helping verb or the auxiliary have or be, right? What does that mean? What is an auxiliary be? Does that mean only be? So we put be and then verb 3 every time?
No, it's the family of be.
Exactly, Sultan. The whole family. So what do we include? Who is included? Who are the brothers in the B family? Who are the brothers? Come on, verb 1
is R.
Verb 1.
Verb 1 B.
B 2.
Is R.
Was verb 2.
Was where?
Was were. Verb 3.
Been.
Been. Verb 4.
Being.
Being. And then simple. Present simple. What are they? And, is, and are. These are the brothers in the B family, okay? These are the brothers in the B family. So if you have a be verb, one of the brothers plus verb 3, guess what? Then it is part of the verb. You're right. It's passive. It is passive. If it's one of the be verbs plus verb 3, then it's passive. What if it's have or having or had or has? Then
Perfect.
It's perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Now, what does it say here? Faraz?
It often ends in ed, many irregular past participles.
You have to learn the irregular verbs, gentlemen. There is no shortcut. You just have to learn them, okay? Can you read, Mohanna? Read this example.
Yes. The family has purchased a television.
Okay.
Yeah.
What do we see here?
A present perfect.
That's right. Okay. Can you read this, please? What does it say?
Has purchased one verb with two parts.
What does that mean? One verb with two parts. What's the first part?
Has.
Auxiliary. And then
Yeah.
the second,
It's,
verb 3,
Yeah.
right? Yeah. You see the formula?
yes.
Which formula?
Perfect.
Bingo. This is the perfect formula, gentlemen. Okay. The perfect formula, have plus verb 3. Okay. All right, Abdul Majid, second example.
The poem was written by Paul.
Okay. What is this?
That's simple passive.
Okay. Was written. It is. Tell me in the sentence, what is it?
One verb with two parts.
Bingo. One verb with two parts. What's the formula? What's this formula?
I think it is the last one.
It's passive, right?
Passive.
How do we make it?
Verb.
Be plus
Plus.
verb 3. Okay. All right. Now, here we go. Mohammed, I want you to read over here.
Okay,
Past
past
participle.
participle is an adjective when it doesn't follow some form of have or be.
Yeah. So if it doesn't follow the auxiliary, then it is an adjective,
Adjective.
right? An adjective. Example, Suhaib.
The television purchased yesterday was expensive.
Okay. All right. Where is the subject here? Find the subject.
Television.
Bingo. Where's the verb?
It's was.
Bingo. So what's this in the middle? What's in the middle?
In the middle, team of adjective.
That's right. It's a team adjective. What does that mean? Team adjective? What is a team?
More than one
Group.
member.
More than one part. This is a team adjective. One adjective. Read it, Suhaib.
One adjective with many parts.
Good. Sultan.
Yeah.
Next example.
The poem written by Polo appeared in the magazine.
Subject.
The subject is the poem.
Bingo.
The verb is appeared.
Appeared. Good. Okay. And what's in between? What's here
Between
in
them,
between?
adjective, team adjective.
And what does that mean? What does that mean? Team adjective.
More than one part of adjective.
Yeah. What does an adjective do, you guys? What does it do? The adjective
Describe the
Describe
noun.
describes a noun. In this case, which noun? In the first example, which noun does it describe?
Television.
Yeah, the first one, the subject. Yeah. How about this example?
By Paul.
Describes
Poem.
the poem, right? It describes the poem. Okay. So the team adjective always follows. It always follows a noun. Okay. All right. Now, I want to show you something else. When you do other skills, you will learn this is called, it has another name. It's called a reduced adjective clause. Okay. It's called a reduced adjective clause. You see, this is the complete clause. Mohana, can you read this?
Yes. That was first Yesterday.
Now, how do I change this complete clause to a reduced clause?
We
Add
delete the connector and the verb.
You just remove connector subject. It's not only connector,
Connector,
it's
yeah.
a connector subject. This, by the way, is skill, it's skill 13, you guys, okay? You see? Oops. You remove the connector subject, you remove the be verb. You understand? Now it's a reduced adjective clause, okay? All right. Same thing here. Same thing, okay? Written by Paul is just a reduced adjective clause. Mohana, can you say this example again, but use that was?
Yeah, that was written by Paul.
Say the whole thing. The poem.
Yeah, the poem that was written by Paul appeared in the magazine.
Now again, but reduce it. Use the first one.
The poem written by Paul appeared in the magazine.
They have the same meaning, gentlemen. They both mean the same thing. Okay? All right. Let's try this example, everybody. You got 20 seconds. Choose your answer now. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, the end. Okay, what do we get here? Uh-oh, 2 people said Charlie, 5 said Delta. Okay, so let's start with you, Mohammed. Mohammed?
Yes, yes. The package.
Where, you know what? Let's start with the subject. Where is the subject? Let's find it.
The package.
Okay. Now we need a verb. This subject needs a verb, right? Can you find a verb for the packages?
It's arrive. Will arrive.
Okay. Will arrive.
No.
Yeah, the packages will arrive on Monday, right? The packages will arrive Monday. All right. So if this is a subject, packages, and this is your verb, what if I choose alpha, gentlemen? What do I choose alpha? What happens if I choose alpha?
Double verb.
Then you have a double verb, right?
Yes.
How about beta? If I choose beta?
Yeah,
Same
double
thing.
Double
verb.
verb.
Again, a double verb, right? Were mailed, that's a verb. Will arrive, that's a verb, okay? What if I choose them?
Double subject.
We need a connector.
This is not a subject. Them is an object, gentlemen. Do I want an object? The package is them mailed?
No,
No.
Is that logical?
no, not logical.
Mafi mandogi, right? Okay. So the best answer, guys, just. Now, what is this in the middle? What is this in the middle?
Team of adjective.
Yeah, I call it a team
Team
adjective. And why do I call it this? What's my
Because
reason?
there is more than one part from adjective or for adjective.
Exactly. But what does it describe? What does it describe?
A packet.
Package.
Exactly, describes the adjective. So where does it begin?
From just before just.
So here or after?
Not before.
Before, okay. And then where is the end?
At
After
the office.
There you go. There is your team adjective. Okay. So what do I need to do? I'll remove that. There you go. The packages just mailed at the post office will arrive Monday. So we have subject, one verb. In the middle, an adjective. This adjective describes the subject. Okay. Now, let's go over here. Suhaib, what does it say? Past participle.
Yeah, past participle often ends in ed, but there are so many irregular past participle. For many verbs, including ed verbs, the simple past and the past participle are the same.
This is the trick here, guys. This is the tricky part because sometimes verb 2 and verb 3 are the same, right? Yeah?
Yes.
Give me an example. Give me an example. Like teach,
Read, read.
read, read, read. What about teach?
Taught, taught.
Taught, taught. They're the same, right? So
Yeah.
this
Got.
is the difficult part is you have to distinguish when it's verb 2 or an adjective. Okay? So can you read this, Sultan?
The ed form of the verb can be the simple past.
Example.
She painted this picture.
You see, this is obvious. It's obvious. It's verb 2, right? Simple past.
Yeah.
Okay. For us, how about number 2?
Past participle has painted.
Of a verb. Right?
Of a verb.
Of a verb. What does that mean? That means part of the verb, right?
Yeah.
Part of the verb. Example.
She has painted a picture.
Now, how do we know this part of the verb? Because
Yes.
You have helping verb. We have.
it follows the auxiliary, right? Follows the auxiliary have. Which formula is it, by the way? Which formula is it?
Perfect.
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 The perfect formula, right? Okay. All right. Then the last one, Abdul Majid, number 3.
The picture painted by Karian is now in the museum.
Where is the subject in this?
The
Where's the
picture
subject? That's right. In the verb? Find the
or
verb.
is
That's right. So what's this in the middle?
team adjective or reduce it.
Yeah. The official name in TOEFL is a reduced adjective clause. That's the name in skill 13, okay? All right, let's try exercise 5. So we have to underline the subject 1 time, underline the verb 2 times, circle the past participle, label them. It means write the name, right? Put adjective, put a verb. Then you should indicate, show if it's correct or incorrect. Who can explain number 1? Don't read
Can I?
it, just explain it. Yes, do it. Suhaib.
Okay. The money, it's a subject.
Yeah.
And then was offered, it's a verb.
Yeah, so
Form the
here's a
passive.
verb. Yeah. Yeah, it's
Okay.
passive.
And then was not accepted, it's another passive.
Another passive verb.
Yeah.
Right? Well, what about the client? Is this another subject?
No, that's an object of by.
Exactly. You see, it follows a preposition, right?
Yeah.
So it is not a subject.
Yes.
So we have a problem now, don't we? What's the problem?
Yeah,
We have
the double subject. Sorry, double verb.
double verbs. We have one subject, the money, but we have 2 verbs, right?
Yeah.
So what do? How do we fix that example?
Can we remove first was?
Yes, remove this.
Yeah.
What happens if I remove it?
Offered will be adjective and describe money, and then was
That
not.
is-
It's the was not
that is
accepted. It's a
correct.
passive verb.
That is correct. So if we take out the be verb, okay, then what happens?
The
It
offered will be-
changes.
yeah.
Changes to adjective. You understand, gentlemen? And then what does it describe? Offered by the client, what does it describe?
The money.
It's-
It describes the money,
yeah.
right? Which money? So this, now it's a team adjective. You understand?
Yeah.
Okay. Number 2, Sultan, you want to explain number 2?
Yeah, the car is subject. Listed is an adjective because we don't have an helping verb.
Right. No helping
Had,
verb.
yeah. Had already started is a verb from 3 parts.
Yeah. And this is actually a team, right?
Adjective, yeah.
Team adjective. This together, all of these parts describe the car. All right, gentlemen, are you ready? Here we go.
Mr. Smith,
Yeah.
Mr. Rich, could we leave?
Smith. Yes, if you have to go, you can go. Okay. Everybody else, get ready to do the poll. Are you ready? Here we go.
Yeah.
Now, what do we do? What's the answer for number 1, gentlemen? Guys?
Incorrect.
Incorrect.
All right. And number 2?
Correct.
All right, go. Do it now.
Okay.
3 minutes. Goodbye, Abdul-Majid. One minute, gentlemen. Fifteen seconds, you guys. Quickly choose your answers.
Mister, can I can't see the polls
Can't see what?
because the poll. Maybe because I charged the computer now.
Oh. Okay. I'm going to. You can't see the poll?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll end it now, and I'll look at the answers that we got here. Okay.
Okay.
So, Faraz, you can tell me what you put for number 3. What did you
Number 3,
say?
incorrect.
All right. Looks like everybody agrees. Right? Good job. Where's the subject? Where's the subject?
Chapters.
Huh?
Chapters.
All right, chapters. Okay. Okay. Where is the verb, Suhaib?
It's were taught.
Were taught. Okay. Which formula is that? Were taught.
It's passive.
Yeah. It is the passive, right? Were taught. Okay. Are there any more verbs in this?
Will
Yes.
be.
Is there only one verb?
No, two.
Oh. Okay. Where's the other one? Well, what about the participle? Find verb 3.
Another verb 3.
Verb 3. Can you find verb 3?
Taught. Only taught.
That's right. Taught is verb 3. Okay. And then you said there's a verb, another verb?
Yes, will be.
Will be.
Okay. Will be. I think there's a problem, right? You see the problem?
Yeah, double verb.
We have a double verb. We'll fix this in a minute. Let's do number 4. Abdullah, what did you put for number 4? Well,
correct.
I think you answered. So you say, what did you say, Faraz?
Number 4.
Yeah.
I get correct.
Okay. Correct. Let's see. Abdullah, can you give me the subject in number 4?
Yes, the loaves is the subject.
Exactly. Got the loaves. Okay. How about participle? Any participles?
Were baked. Baked is the participle.
Just baked. Okay. Baked is a participle. Okay. Any verbs?
Yeah, were picked.
No.
This is the verb, right?
Passive, yes.
Which
Yeah.
formula? You
Passive.
said it. It's the passive, right? The passive formula. We're baked. Okay, good. All right, next one. Number 5. What did you say, Faraz? Number 5.
Incorrect.
You said it's incorrect?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, everyone agrees. All right. So, Suhaib, subject?
Subject, the ports.
The ports. All right. And then, do you see any participles? Verb 3. Can you find a verb 3?
Yes, reached.
Okay. Here we go. Reached. Okay. And then, any verbs?
No, just
No
any-
verb?
another
verb?
verb. Yeah, another verb where
Where's
under,
the, okay, but what about were reached?
where reached and where another verb.
Okay, so we've got, we have a problem, don't we?
Yeah. It's a
What's-
double verb.
That's right. It's a double verb. Okay. All right. So were is the second verb. All right. Let's look at number 6. Faraz, what's your choice in number 6?
6. Correct.
Yes. Okay. All right. So Faraz, give me the subject.
Those suspected.
So the subject is suspected.
No, the string.
String is the subject.
I think.
What is this word in?
Oh, it's object. Those.
Ah,
Those is the
string
subject.
is the object. So where's the subject?
Those.
Here's the subject. Can you find any participles?
Suspected.
Suspected. Okay. Okay. What about, is that the only one? Is that the only participle? Or is there another one?
Arrested.
Ah, arrested. Ah, so we have 2 participles. Okay. Any verbs?
Arrested.
Where? Ah, this one. We're arrested. Okay. All right. Good. All right. So what did you choose for number 7, Faraz?
7. Incorrect.
Incorrect. Abdullah, you agree?
Yes.
Subject?
The B is the subject.
Okay. Participle?
Served.
Served. Okay. How about the verb? Can you find a verb?
Is
Okay. Is this the only verb?
no, we have another one.
We have another one? Where?
Is the test.
Oh, so we have a double verb.
Yes.
We have a problem, right? And
Ah,
I have a double verb. All right. Oops, don't want to stretch it out. Come on. Here we go. All right. Next, number 8. Faraz, what did you put?
It incorrect.
Oh, it looks like the only one that you guys
Oh my
disagreed was number 10. Okay, so you agreed on 8 and 9, and then you disagree on 10. So what's the subject here, Suhaib? Subject?
Courses
All right, courses. Participle?
are listed.
Yeah. There you go, verb 3. Any verbs?
Are listed and have.
Oh, yeah, we have a double verb, don't we? Okay. All right, so have. Okay, what about number 9, Faraz? What was your answer for number 9?
Correct.
All right, tell me the subject.
Tenants. Tenants.
Tenants. Participle?
And by invited.
Good, invited. Verb?
Were invited.
Were invited. Okay. Here we go. Okay. Now, here's the one where we got some disagreement, okay?
Yes.
Suhaib,
Yes, me.
one of you said correct, one of you said incorrect. So Faraz, you decide.
Correct.
So who said is incorrect? Suhaib,
Yes,
was
me.
that you?
Yes, yes.
Oh, let's find this up. Abdullah, where's the subject?
I think any verbs.
Correct. Yep. There's your subject. How about participle? Let's find a participle. Any participles?
I think paid.
Yes, it is verb 3. Okay. What is verb 1?
What pay?
Pay. Pay, paid, paid. Okay. Any more? Are there any more participles, gentlemen? Any more?
Credit.
Credited.
Credit.
Okay. Credited. Okay. And how about verbs, guys? Any verbs?
Will
Will be credited.
be.
Will be credited. Now let me guess, Suhaib, you thought this had a double verb.
Yeah.
You thought it had a double verb, right? You thought
Yes.
this was verb 2. Yeah, but it's not. It's not verb 2. What is it?
It's team adjective.
Bingo. It's a team adjective, gentlemen. Okay. So let's make the corrections here. Okay. So number 3. What do we do in number 3?
Okay. We
Okay.
can remove. Yeah.
Remove where, I think.
How do we fix it?
Yes. You are right.
Okay. And then what is it, by the way? Now, before removing it, what was it? It
Adjective.
was
And
Before
verb.
that, a verb. Yeah.
It was a verb, right? It was a verb, yeah. But we want to change it to an adjective, okay? Guys, is that clear? What about number 5?
also double verb.
Okay. What is it? What is it now? We're reached. What is it now?
Verb.
It's a verb, right? Is that okay? Do we want a verb?
No, we should remove verb
Okay. Why?
to make it.
We want to make it into an adjective, don't we?
Yes.
There you go. You see how it becomes an adjective? All right. What about number 7? What is it now? Right now, what is it right now?
Verb.
It's a verb. Yeah. Is served. It's a verb. Okay. So, now that we have a double verb, what should we do?
Remove is?
Remove the pizza
No,
or
is.
remove the auxiliary. Take away the auxiliary, right? Then what
Yeah.
happens? What
Verb
happens
equals
now?
adjective.
Changes to an adjective, right?
Yeah.
Oh, what about this one? Arrested. What is that one? Arrested.
It's a verb.
Correct. That's a verb. Okay. And oh, what about baked? Forgot to do that one, didn't I?
Yeah, verb.
It's a verb. Where is my verb? What about suspected, guys?
Adjective.
Adjective.
It's an adjective. Okay. And then number eight. How do we, what is it now? Listed. What is it?
Now
Listed
it's
is what?
verb.
Listed is a verb, right?
Yes.
Is that okay?
No, we should remove R to make it
All right.
adjective.
And it becomes an adjective, right?
Yes.
All right. So here we go. Done. Okay. Now, what about invited, guys? What is this invited?
Verb. Yeah, we're invited. It's a verb.
It follows the auxiliary, so it's a verb. How about paid?
It's an adjective.
Adjective.
Bingo. And will be credited?
A verb.
It's a verb. Okay, have I covered everything? Did I do all of them? No. Oh, there's another verb. Where is it? Oh, here we go, up here. Ta-da. Gentlemen, that's it. Do you think you understand it? Yeah?
Yes,
Yeah.
Mr. Raj, can I ask a question?
Yes, yes. What's your question?
Number 7. After is the test out the test. What's this subject or verb or number 7?
Number 7.
After
Taste,
is. Yes.
after is tastiest. It's an adjective. It's the superlative. Superlative means the strongest, right? The best. Tasty. You know, tasty. Tasty
yes, yes.
means laziz. Laziz. Right?
Yeah.
Delicious. Okay. So if you say it's the tastiest, means it's the most laziz.
But
Yes.
can we say most test? Yeah, most test.
No.
No,
It's-
because two
Yeah.
sound.
That's another skill. That's skill
Yeah.
skill number 27. There is a formula for the superlative and a formula for the comparative. All right.
Yes, Mr. Rich.
Yes.
Yesterday
I'm gonna-
we.
I'm gonna stop recording and then I'll
Okay.
take your question, okay?
Okay.